Okay, so it's been about 2 hours and this is what my dough looks like. So it's definitely about doubled in size. I'm going to dump it out on the counter and cut it in half and shape it for baking. So I'm going to be baking these in loaf pans. So when you pull it out, it might be a little sticky. That's normal. You want a lightly floured surface, but it should pull out whole and you shouldn't have too much stuck to your pan. So I'm just going to take my bench cutter and go ahead and slice this bad boy in half. So you can see the gluten strands on there have really started to form nicely. Once you cut it in half, you're just going to shape it. Mine are going into a loaf pan, so I'm just going to leave them kind of long and skinny. I'm going to tuck the pointed ends under and just kind of shape into a long, narrow shape. I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. Just kind of pushing, tucking, pinching the cut part. And then those are going to go right into my parchment lined baking pans.